Dropshipping isn't simple, it's crowded market even in 2025. You might see this online, it can be really true only if you don't follow the successful dropshipping plan and have the right knowledge. I have set up several dropshipping businesses that made me over this much in pure profit. To get there, I had to try a lot of different things. I failed at first, but I gained experience, learned from my mistakes, and eventually I figured out the right way and built my own profitable dropshipping business. Watching this video will teach you a lot of different things and you'll learn what to avoid so that you won't lose your money. You'll also learn what to include in your daily routine that will keep you motivated so that you can earn money even during tough time. Here is the 5 essential things that every experienced dropshipper does. Niche research, find the right supplier, product research, website design, and product promotion. If you're new to dropshipping and have heard about these 5 things but don't know how to do niche or product research, don't start right away until you watch this entire video. Whenever I start a new dropshipping business, I typically start with niche research. To ensure thorough research, I run several tests. First, I look at niche trend using Google Trends. If I see an ad for beauty products on social media or think about selling car accessories, I use Google Trends to check their selling potential and see how interest in them change over time. I also use keyword research tool to check their search volume and competition for a keyword. You can use tools like SEMrush, Moz, 𝗀𝗄𝘰𝗶, SimilarWeb, or any other similar option. Next, I focus on finding the right dropshipping supplier. If you search for dropshipping company on Google, you will see many dropshipping companies, but only few of them are really the best. I personally use fulfillment.com as my dropshipping supplier. I choose fulfillment.com for several reasons, including fast shipping, amazing product quality, great customer support, and access to trending products. Whenever I select a dropshipping supplier, I look for one that offers fast delivery option. Fulfillment.com has its own private line, and here you can see Fulfillment.com delivers the product in 4 to 7 days to Australia, 5 to 8 days to US, Germany, Italy, and Spain, 3 to 5 days to UK and France. Every buyer wants a fast delivery. If they see a longer shipping time on your store, they may not be interested buying product from your store. Another good reason to choose Fulfillment.com is the product quality. Fulfillment has their own warehouse in China and keep the product as good as new for customer satisfaction. If you have a hot selling product, you can keep your inventory in their warehouse for free. Whenever you receive a new order, Fulfillment will ship the product with their private line with custom packaging like your logo on the package, flyers, business card, custom boxes, and more. When it comes to customer support, Fulfillment has easy and convenient return and refund policy. If your customer got damaged product, they will refund you. If your customer got wrong product, they will resend it for free. If your shipment got lost in transit, Fulfillment will refund or resend it for free. If your customer want to return the product, no problem, Fulfillment can manage everything for you. Fulfillment also provides product photography service for better conversion and can be integrated with Shopify, WooCommerce, eBay, Amazon, and so on. When it comes to product research, you don't need to leave Fulfillment.com website. Log in into Fulfillment, choose your niche, and here you will get viral products every day under Fulfillment Products Catalog. This feature will save your time and allow you to work on other aspects of this business. Once you're done with the niche research and dropshipping supplier, now make sure you have a website to sell the products. If you don't know how to create a dropshipping website, you can watch my other videos that you can find in the video description. Website building is a long process, so I can't include that part in this video. However, if you want to build a website fast, then I recommend you to choose Shopify. You can start with Shopify for $1 a month for 3 months. Link in the video description. Finally, it's time for product promotion. Whenever I start a new dropshipping business and want fast result, I typically start with Facebook ads. To start with the Facebook ads, you need to create Facebook Ad Manager account, verify your domain name, then add Pixel to it. Pixel will track the user behavior on your site. Additionally, make sure to create Facebook page and Instagram account as well. Once you are done with that, now it's time to run Facebook conversion ad campaign. I typically create 3 ad sets with a minimum budget of $5 to $10 each. Each ad set should contain different audience. And I run this campaign for at least 3 days. Now let's take a look at the following rule for best conversion.
On the first day, if I get at least 1 click, I let it run for the next day, and if I don't get any click on day first, I stop the campaign and change the target audience and interest. On the second day, I must have one add to cart. If I get it, I let it run for the next day. If I don't get any add to cart, I stop the campaign and start with the day 1, where I need 1 click on a day first. At this point, if I don't get any click, then I consider it non-profitable product. Now let's say on the second day, you got 1 add to cart and you let it run for third day. Now on third day, you must need 1 purchase. If you get the purchase on day 3rd, then let it run until you don't get any purchase.
In my advanced Facebook course, I'll show you when to scale your campaign and what is the best CPC and so on. Now your job is to track your Facebook ad campaign daily. If any case your campaign doesn't follow the rule, stop it and try different product. By following this rule, you won't lose your money. I'm planning to create a full dedicated video on Facebook ad campaign. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe it so that you won't miss it. And make sure to try Fulfillment.com's dropshipping service. To get started with Fulfillment.com, just click the Get a Free Code button and start your dropshipping journey. Link in the video description. So that's the end of this video, guys. I hope you found this video valuable. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button. That would be appreciated. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more content just like this one. Thank you so much for watching this video. Till then, I'll see you guys next time.